Oh,
What's happening?
Krystyn, my life became so much brighter the day you said you'd marry me. To have found my life companion when I truly thought I never would means the world to me. Having you in my life, sharing life's adventures, life's challenges, just feels so perfect. But I guess what I love most is the way you brighten my life. You truly make me better. I promise to be the best husband I can possibly be, to be your rock when life is difficult, to be your shoulder to cry on when life is cruel. I promise to never keep score, even if I am totally winning, and to wake up to your beautiful blue eyes and your perfect dimples every day will be a dream come true. To love you forever, I promise.
You give me all of you. Oh.
John, we've known each other for a long time. Over the years, I've seen someone who is loyal, respected, fun-loving, intelligent, and who has a strong value system. I've learned about your little quirks, too. You also have seen many of my more unique qualities. Knowing you this way created trust. It meant that from day one, I saw a future with you. It made falling in love with you a foregone conclusion. You're my best friend, my Game of Thrones buddy, my sounding board, and the person that I want to make my memories with. My love for you is boundless. You bring me joy and peace, and I can't imagine my world without you in it.